soyez le bienvenu. And is it the first time you're tuning into my channel? Yeah, this is a platform where we learn French. So do well to check my videos and follow up. So if you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe, to share our videos and give them thumbs up if you find them useful. So today we'll be looking at an amazing topic which says the French personal pronoun, the pronoun personnel. So we'll be diving a little bit into the grammar aspect little by little so that it can help us in our writing skills and in our communication in general. So today we'll be looking at our personal pronouns so that we can identify our personal pronouns when we hear people make use of them. So these are the basic personal pronouns in French language. We have them in the singular form and in the plural form. Okay, so we have je, which means I. Je, which means I. We have tu, which means you. And so this tu is for someone that you have rapport with, someone of your mate, someone that you feel maybe you are younger than or of your age mate, or someone in general that you have a rapport with. Okay, so let's continue. We have il, which means he. In English language, we have elle, which means she in English language. And so these are our personal pronouns singular in French language. So when we learn this, we will be able to start forming our words together, start making use of some of those vocabularies and expressions, those words we are finding. We'll be able to join words together and start making good use of them. So it's quite important for us to know our personal pronouns. So let's move to this plural form. We have nous, which means we, you inclusive. Okay, so we have vous, which also means you. So note that this vous is a singular form as well. Okay, it could be a singular form and it could be a plural form. So it's a singular form when you are using it for an elderly person. That is, you feel, oh, this person is of a higher capacity than I do, and so I can't just use tu for the person. You can imagine talking to your boss and you're making use of tu. That's actually wrong. You make do of the vous for respect, and definitely you're speaking to just one person. So it's a vous for respect and it's singular. And so we have vous as well for plural. So the vous for plural actually means when you're talking to a group of persons. That is, you're not talking to just one person, you're talking to more than a person. Then you use vous, like saying comment vous allez. Maybe you just came back from work and you met your children playing. You can just ask them comment vous allez. Obviously, you're not talking to just one of them, you're talking to more than a person. So you make do of that vous in this context. So let's continue. We have il. So we can see that there is s at the back of it. So that is an indication for us to know that this is talking about plural. It's not talking about just one person. It's in a plural. But here, when you see it without an else, then you should know definitely that this is a singular form. It's talking about just one person, and which is a masculine gender. Okay, and here we have elle without s. You should know that this is for a feminine gender, which means she. Okay, so here for the plural form we have s at the back of it. Once you see s, you definitely know that this word is for females, but females that are more than one in French language. So it definitely means they. So that's just it. So these are our personal pronouns in French language. Okay, so it is quite important for us to note that il is for masculine plural when they are merged. Elle is for feminine when they are merged, for the feminine gender. But note, French people put respect, or they take it so important, this gender stuff. For instance, let's imagine that we have 3 females here, even if they are elderly persons, grandmas or someone elderly, and you just have a newborn baby and it's a masculine gender. The baby is of the masculine gender. Note that when you want to address them, you will not address them because the baby is a baby, but for the fact that he is the only male amidst the 3 female, you address them by using il. That's just French for you. Once a male gender is in the midst of so many females, you will address all those females by using il. Note that it is a rule in French language. It is just the French people for you. So I hope you now understand context of how to make use of your personal pronoun. It's quite important for us to know when we should make do of these personal pronouns. Okay, do well to write me at the comment section if you have anything to say as regarding your personal pronouns, and I'll be glad to meet with you. I'll be glad to reply you. So do give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Be sure to love and subscribe. See you till next time. Bye.